guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. If you are a TikTok addict like myself, then you probably know some of the things that I'm going to talk about. I'm going to be testing some of TikTok's trending makeup hacks just for you. I'll be doing the dirty work. You can just sit back and relax, and I'll let you know if you should do this yourself. So there are so many out there, and I think that it'd be too much to cram into one video. I'm just going to focus on some, and if you'd like, I can do another video with the other trending makeup hacks. And if there's some that I didn't do and you want me to do, leave a comment below and tell me what makeup hacks or like trending trends, is that like, let me know what trend you'd like to see me do in the comments below, and I'll be sure to do that for you. I have a list here of some hacks that I was planning on doing, but I think I'm gonna just pick 3, like the 3 wise men, you know? Anyway, the main one of this video that I really have been dying to try is the foundation primer pleat, like, you know what I'm trying to talk about.
What? Child. Anyway, so
like, I don't even know what to call it, like the foundation translucent powder foundation, the order of doing your hello. This one is by Jarita_ on TikTok. If I don't know who the other ones are from, or if they're just kind of general that's been out there on TikTok, I'll just put somebody's TikTok account up. But this video, I am so mad at myself because I saw this TikTok sound literally immediately when it started. There must have been like 3 videos of it so far, and my lazy ass did not want to get up from the couch watching TikToks, because you know, you just sit there and you scroll for and hours and hours. I could have blown up on TikTok. It was so early for the trends, and I missed it. This girl says if you follow these steps, you get flawless skin. I woke up like this. Like airbrushed Facetune, can't touch me. That's a hefty statement. Apparently this makes your makeup stay on all day. I have a problem where my makeup falls. Even if I set it sometimes, it like creases. I don't know. It's a hot mess express. You moisturize, then you put your translucent setting powder on. Mason is shook. Then you do the makeup setting spray. Then the primer after the setting spray is dry. And then your foundation? Girl, I don't know. And then I'm like, okay, so do you put foundation on, powder on after the foundation? Like, what is happening? Don't worry, we're gonna figure that out. The next hack that we're gonna do is the concealer hack. There's a certain placement that you should put your concealer on to make your get like a facelift. And then the other one that I want to try that kind of coincides with that effect is the blush placement, which I have been trying, but I think if we do all this together, bitch, we're gonna be looking like Bella Hadid, honey. Like, come at me, it's fine. But my foundation probably isn't gonna match my skin tone. I'm gonna look like I have jaundice. Okay, so I already primed my face. I used the CeraVe moisturizer, and I feel like I shouldn't put any more on because it's quite, should I put more on? Never enough. I'll just get more. Oh, you want more? Okay, I'll get it. You asked for it, I delivered. I'm putting more moisturizer on because I'm just like, is it enough? Does it have to be wet for the for the translucent powder to stick? I don't know. Why am I so nervous? Oh my god, okay, I'm not going anywhere. So why am I nervous? I'm also gonna do you guys a favor, and I'm going to show you now. It is 2:43 in the afternoon. I'm gonna show you tonight how my makeup holds up. Does this hold up, honey? I'm using the Cover FX translucent powder. Bitch, this shit's good. Like, she's nice. The perfect setting powder, and I think she's quite, I think that's pretty true. Why am I so nervous? Okay, shut up, Rachel. This is literally just makeup. It's fine. This is like so counterintuitive. Who, what, where, when, why, how. I'm writing my English essay in middle school, and now this girl's telling me to set my face. I have the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Love this. Use code Rachel for 10% off. Just kidding. Yes. I mean, Morphe, girl. I mean, second video. I'm asking for a sponsorship, hunty. So we let her dry. Next, she says to apply primer. And I think actually this primer that I always use might be a really good primer for this, because it's supposed to be like blurring the skin, this whole thing. This baby right here. I love you, Becca. Bitch, I'm a little excited. I think we might have done something here. It's like, which tan foundation is less tan? Like, it's a lose-lose situation, I know. I'm just gonna go with my tried and true, my pride and true, whatever. My NARS Radiant something something something. Ooh. Okay, but she feels smooth, like a baby's bottom. Normally I spray some setting spray when I blend out my foundation, but I don't want to mess this whole thing up. Oh no. I feel like it looks cakey on me. Is it me? It might be me. Everybody loves this. Why? Oh no. I'm gonna just have to try to save it. I have to. I'm gonna turn off the light so you can see. She's crusty and dusty. No. No, it ain't it. It's a no from me. I just feel like it's all gathering right here. A lot of these people who are trying this have the ring light set up just like I do, so it looks flawless. So if you want to take pictures, yeah, it's probably fine. Like, I like it when it looks like skin. No, we're just gonna keep going. We're gonna just like not judge it so hard. The next hack has to do with concealer placement. You all know how everyone would always do the concealer triangle here, but apparently that's not right. You're supposed to place some here and then out here to give a lifting effect to the face. Becca's Ultimate Coverage, and then this one is Becca Aqua Luminous. This is the first layer. Basically, this is what you want to do. You want to put it boom, 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 boom. We're just gonna put it on top because I think the color mixing here makes it a good match for me. You see like the lift? Oh, I feel like as I blend it out, it's obviously coming down where the triangle was, but maybe the concentration isn't so intense there. It's more in these points. Did I crack the code? Do I set it after everything that I put on before? Because you already have translucent powder, it's gonna be too cakey because I'm already looking like cake. I'm gonna set it. I feel like I need to. Hello, can somebody, is there a 1-800 number for TikTok that I can just call and ask, like, what am I supposed to do in this situation? Like, I'm stuck. This forehead situation is still really irritating me. It looks like the Sahara Desert, but I feel like my cheeks aren't bad. You know, I'm just not really used to full coverage either. I feel like the coverage that I tend to go for is more like medium to light. So I just did a very simple makeup look. Don't really know what I did here, but I already did bronzer, very little luminous highlight. The last TikTok makeup hack that we're gonna try, the vacuum is just so loud, but just bear with me, we're almost done, is the blush placement. We've all been told to apply the blush at the apples of your cheeks, smile, and drag it up. This new technique brings your face like up, like more like a facelift. Like, we are just giving ourselves a facelift today between the concealer and now this blush placement. You never have to walk into a plastic surgeon's office ever. You apply it up here and then bring it up. Oh, okay, she's pigmented, honey. Like, you get the effect, you know what I mean? Like, you can see it. I look like somebody torched my face. So my makeup looks pretty good on camera. I do still notice some patchiness here, but also that is kind of the only area that's a problem for me. Maybe I'm just always dry there and that's a personal problem and it's not a problem with this technique. So I think maybe if I had just exfoliated beforehand and did it, I think maybe I would have had more flawless results in my forehead area. See what I mean on my forehead? It's pretty patchy there. Other than the forehead, it's really not too shabby. This is it. I know you're gonna be like, Rachel, you're so dramatic. Give it a 10 out of 10, but honey, look, remember? Crusty and musty. I'll wear this throughout the day and come back later tonight and tell you how it wore and show you the after results of it. I think I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10 right now, just because it really is not favorable for my type of skin right now, at least in my forehead area. The concealer application, I give that a 10 out of 10. I definitely think that it gave me a lifting effect. I mean, honey, look at me. I went to Dr. Miami? No, I didn't. I went to TikTok. And I also would give the blush application 10 out of 10. I know the type of blush that I had wasn't very good. I had a little bit of heavy hands, but I really think it definitely gave me a lifting effect. So I'm gonna take a break, let this settle in. See you soon. Sit tight and wait for the end results. Love you the most. Okay, but honestly, guys, like right now it doesn't look that bad. My mom just said I look good, so maybe it's really fine. Maybe I'm dramatic. Hi guys, so we're back. It is now 10:45 p.m. Bitch, I'm tired. I'm here with an update on the foundation. So the makeup has been on 8 hours. That's about a work day. But I honestly feel like it held up pretty well. I'm so tired, guys. Sorry. See under my eyes a little bit. Famous forehead. I really did have like a pretty flawless finish around here. it might honestly just be a personal problem with my forehead area. I feel like it's something that I would do on a day where I want to make it known that I have makeup on, not really a natural finish. So I guess like if I had an event or something like that to go to, God willing, hopefully sometime in the near future. Now that the day is done, I can give complete rating of this foundation TikTok makeup hack. So I'm gonna give this rating, for me, is probably an 8 out of 10. It is definitely not like a natural finish, a little on the cakey side. A 10 out of 10 for the concealer hack, and a 10 out of 10 for the blush placement hack. Leave a comment below if you tried out any of these hacks and what you thought about it. And also let me know any future videos you'd like me to do, if there are any TikTok hacks or any other general makeup hacks you'd like me to try. I'm going to hit the hay, take off this makeup. Honestly, that's the worst part of the day, is taking off the makeup. Don't forget, like this video, subscribe, leave that comment below, and turn on those bell notifications, girls, so you get notified when I upload. Thank you so much for watching. Love you the most. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Today I'm gonna be testing I'll just figure something out. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. It's here. May. Hi, May. No, I messed it up already. It's like, I literally fucked it up and it's been 2 minutes. That's it, honey.